Hey guys, good afternoon or morning, whichever I post this at, and whatever time that you happen to be watching this. My name's Jillian. I live around here. This is my kitchen. Today's just gonna be a short video, real quick kind of snack deal. Before we get too far in, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. If you like my videos, go ahead and hit the like button at the end if you do like the video. If not, hit a thumbs down, and I won't be too mad at you. And then comment at the end if you liked the recipe, if you want me to try something different. It's all gonna be up to you. But today I am making air fryer roast chickpeas, and I have them right here. So yeah, real quick video. It's not gonna be difficult. So let's go. First, we will start off with 1 can of garbanzo or chickpeas that I have drained. Went ahead and put in this little container. I am then going to drizzle some olive oil, some extra virgin olive oil. That comes out to about 2 teaspoons, maybe to a tablespoon, depending on how well coated you want them. Then we are going to go in with a pinch of flaky sea salt, maybe another half pinch if you're wanting a salty snack. Then I'm going to add in chili powder. I'll turn it around so you can actually see. I put in about 1 teaspoon and just kind of shake it on. You don't need to measure, but if you're a measuring kind of person, do that. Next, we'll add garlic powder. I would add garlic salt if I wasn't already going to be adding the flaky salt. And this is about a half a teaspoon that I ended up putting in. So, lid it. That way you don't have to dirty a spoon or a fork, and just kind of shake. Shake to coat. Make sure everything is covered in that olive oil and the spices. We'll take a gander. Yes, coated. I kind of felt a little extra, so I'm adding another half to 1 teaspoon. So it's going to end up being about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And of course, that is your preference. If you're not a fan of chili powder, I pretty much use it as kind of a coloring more than I do for flavor. So now I'm going into my air fryer. We've got the drip tray, and you just pouring the chickpeas onto the tray. Of course, if you have a different kind of air fryer, just use the air fryer as you normally would. Just make sure that the chickpeas are kind of flat and in one layer. So we're going to put that in. And you're going to set it to air fry, which is about 400 degrees, and we're going to start off with 15 minutes, and we'll come back. About halfway through cooking, so about 7.5, 8 minutes, you're going to go in, just kind of make sure that they're able to move around, making sure that all the sides are getting crispy. And I'm kind of turning the tray as I'm doing this because ultimately I'm going to put the tray in backwards. Again, if you have this kind of air fryer, do that. If not, just shake them. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. 15 minutes has gone by. That's about right, I figured, from shaking them, kind of testing out crispiness. 15 minutes worked at 400 degrees on the air fry. So now I am going to dirty a spoon because this is just difficult getting all these little, I mean, they're basically like little orbs, and they just kind of do what they want. So get them into another container. If you're going to store them, a nice airtight container, and of course you see chickpeas just doing what they want. They just do that everywhere. You can store chickpeas in an airtight container. Ooh, words. For several days. I probably wouldn't keep them more than a week and a half. I am going to measure out some for my snack. That's about half cup. So obviously, guys, I am going to sit with my snack of my roasted chickpeas. They're pretty good. Crispy. Got some good flavor with the garlic and the chili powder. A little bit of salt. So yeah. I'm going to, up here on the screen, I'm going to, if you're counting macros and calories and whatever, I'll put these up here for you guys so that you know. I personally am going through my own journey for being healthier. And yeah, so this is one of my snacks for the day. I'm gonna sit and eat Ghost Adventures while eating some roasted chickpeas. So yeah, again, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you guys tried it. And we'll see you later, guys. Bye.